in Vegas. You can see Theta CDJ-3000X right here. Actually, don't even need these anymore. But you can see Las Vegas back there in the skyline. It's a beautiful day. It's pretty warm. It's so warm that on my roof, it's just, as I'm walking on it with my bare feet, if I stand in the same place too long, like about right there, it starts to get too hot. I gotta move. Okay. We got the CDJ-3000X, which I just hooked up on the sunroof in the sun, plugged in. And we're testing it in direct sun and heat. So there's been some false claims, I believe. We're gonna find out if it's true, that these things can't work in the sun, in direct sunlight or heat. Well, in direct sunlight right now, it is clear direct sunlight. Like, look at that sun, bright AF. And here's the CJ-3000. You can see the screen is visible even in direct sunlight. You can browse and source. Everything's readable. I'm not having any trouble reading it. It's playing. So I selected a really long track here that I have. Let's see what it's. Hour and 42 minutes and 21 seconds. It's so long it doesn't even show correctly on the remain, but I'm playing that. I put it on continuous. I plugged this in about 10 minutes ago, and so we're gonna check it out. Next thing we're gonna do, I forgot downstairs, is we're gonna test the actual temperature. So let's go do it. Flip this camera around. So, just to be fun with everybody, I actually have a really nice laser temperature gun. So we're gonna check it out. So just to show you that it's working correctly, we're here in the house, and I'm gonna hit it to the wall, and you can see it's set for 77. And just to show you how cool that is, you can see my thermostat is set for 77. You know, and right here, 76.6. So it's pretty accurate. It's not freaking scientifically accurate, but it's close enough. So here's a little spot in the house where the AC doesn't get too good. And you can see that's at 98 degrees. So that's in the house. I have an AC vent right here. 78 degrees at the vent. It's not blowing right now because we're at temperature. I'm gonna go outside. Let's go outside. Let's see what kind of temps we're getting out here. So on the ground, 130 degrees right there. That's why it's burning my feet. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna flip this around again. So here's our gun. You can see 130, 130. If I hit the case, we're already up to 138. 138, 142. If I hit the top of the CDJ, we're at 130. Right here, 131, 139, 140 on the screen. 139. How hot is my USB? USB's at 132. Now, flash drives, after about 150, could get real slow and acting funny. So far at 130 degrees in direct sun, it has no problem. Let's see what the back looks like. It's hard for me to even see. Oh, it's 113. Because that's not in direct, right? But this case, you can see 143 on the side of my case. 149. Look, this part of the ground, 137. So, just to prove that it is hot, it's very, very, very hot. That is extreme temperature. We're gonna be testing this for a while. I'm gonna test it. I don't even know when I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna see if it stops or if the sun goes down. So it's currently 1:14 p.m. That's our CDJ-3000. We are live testing it. I don't believe I'm gonna stay live because that's crazy, but we'll come back and do some checks about every 30 minutes and just see what's going on and what the current temperatures are. Stay tuned.